Hi guys, it's David here from One Step at a Time, and today I'm going to be making a quick video on how to create a bootable USB in Windows 10 using command prompt. And the first thing you need to do is press that Windows key plus X and go into command prompt admin. Say yes, and you get your command prompt open here. The first thing we're going to do is go into diskpart, excuse me. Then we're going to list disk. And then, as you can see, I'm going to be using this 8GB USB flash drive for it, so it's this one. Select this one, hit enter. And now everything we do is on that selected disk. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a clean on that. So if you have anything on this or on your USB drive, make sure you back it up. So just type clean and hit enter. And it's successfully cleaned it. Now what we're going to do is create a partition. So let's say create partition primary, hit enter, and it's created a partition. And we want to format it, so we're going to format it FAT32. Format file system equals FAT32, and you could put a label if you wanted at the back of this. So I'm going to be doing Linux, so I'll just put a label of label equals Linux, and at the end I'm going to do a quick format so it doesn't take forever, and then just hit enter. And because I put quick in it, it should only take a couple of seconds, and there we are. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to select that partition. Now it's going to be number 1 all the time once you're only using the one USB and not using a particular partition within that hard drive, or within the USB, should I say. So we're going to just say, you don't have to, but if you list, it'll list the partitions, and as I was saying, it's partition 1, so just say select partition 1. I know it's the selected one, so it was selected anyway because it had the star beside it, but just for the purposes of making double sure you're working on the right one. So, and now we're going to have to make this partition active. You're going to need to have an active partition if we're going to be putting a boot on it. So we're just going to say active, and now it's active, and we're just going to say sign a letter. Sign. And it pops up, so it's going to be Linux D, so that's fine. I'll minimize that. That's it. I'm just going to exit. And once you're back out onto your screen here, just open up. This is my Linux, and then I'm going to be opening up my downloads. There it is. So I'm just going to open up new window. I'll just put these like that so you can see. And then for the Linux, I'm just going to right click on that and just say mount. You could use Xcopy if you wanted to from command. It's just that you do it this way. So once you click mount, it'll give you all these. Just highlight them all and drag them across and drop them into your Linux folder. And just wait for everything to copy over. I'll just pause the video for a second while this is doing this, and I'll go back to you in a second. And that's it, guys. Once it's finished copying, you're done. Just make sure you safely unplug your USB and eject it, and then restart your computer, and then you can just boot in from your BIOS then to your USB. So hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.